Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this key fob. This is out of a 2016 Elantra. And really the only tools you need are a flat blade screwdriver, kind of a larger one, and then you need your 2032 battery. You need one of these, and you get these on Amazon. They're very inexpensive. There's a link below in the description that will take you right there. Alright, so what you want to do on the top of this is there's a little indentation right here. So just get in there and kind of push and twist. You don't have to be aggressive with it, just nice, gentle. Alright, so here's this. Now place your screwdriver right here on this little black part. Push that out. Alright. Now you get your new battery, and make sure this has a little plus sign right there. So make sure your plus sign is up, and that's generally the one with the writing on it. Alright, and then squeeze it back together. And you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.